Kiehl. Hi beauties, Daft Scots here, and today I'm at the Kiehl store in Sandton City, where they've got all these wonderful products that I've been testing out for the 28-day Kiehl Change Your Skin Challenge. So come, let's go have a look around. From the Kiehl store at Sandton City, I've got my very own little pocket-sized skin rescuer. I've heard really great things about this and I can't wait to try it. So girls, get down to the Kiehl store at Sandton City and get your sample size of your favourite products. They've got absolutely loads to choose from, and they've got a men's range too. So get down there. Bye! I guess I'll chat to you very soon and look forward to everybody's before and after photos, as well as week 4 of the 28-day Kiehl challenge. Can't wait to see yours. Bye guys!
All for one and one for all! All for one for all. Quality services and community. Rare.
Megan.